This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by measuring and blooming the gelatin because its activation determines texture. Sprinkle the packet evenly over 3-4 tablespoons of cold liquid so granules hydrate without clumping. Wait about 5 minutes until spongy. Meanwhile, ready your flavor base, warm chocolate, or a fruit puree heated gently to 40-50 degrees C. Once the gelatin blooms, you'll dissolve it into the warm base. This step ensures a smooth set and prevents grainy bits later. Once the gelatin is fully liquid, keep temperatures moderate. Overheating weakens its setting power. To avoid curdling, temper the gelatin. Whisk a small spoonful of the warm base into the gelatin, then pour that mixture back into the main bowl while stirring. Now you must combine with the aeration. Fold the gelatin mixture into softly whipped cream or stabilized egg whites with large figure-8 motions. Make sure to fold gently, but thoroughly so you keep volume and distribute gelatin evenly for a light, airy mousse. After combining, transfer the mousse into serving dishes or a mold. Smooth the tops and chill undisturbed for at least 3-4 hours so the gelatin forms a stable network. When ready, loosen edges by briefly dipping the mold base in warm water and invert onto a plate. Garnish right before serving to retain texture. If the mousse is still runny after chilling, don't panic. Refrigerate longer, and as a rescue, add 1 teaspoon melted gelatin per cup of mousse. Mix gently and rechill to firm up the structure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.